name is Mr. Martins from M&E Music Company. I just want to give you a little tip on scale running on all musical keys. First of all, I want you to understand the fact that we have 12 keys in music on any instrument, be it bass guitar, lead guitar, keyboard. We have 12 keys on all instruments. So I'm going to practicalize it for you now. So for on the key of F, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then back to our home key. So the first scale I'm going to be running is the major scale. So this is how it goes. So that's the little tip I have for you today. See you in the next video. Thanks.